How to turn on vanish mode on Instagram. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on vanish mode on Instagram. In order to do so, first of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the messenger icon. Simply tap on the messenger icon to enter your direct messages section. And from here, now open the chat with the person you want to use the vanish mode with. Once you open their chat page, here now you will need to swipe up on the chat screen until you see the message swipe up to turn on vanish mode. You'll also see a little circle here. You will need to swipe it until the gray mark covers the circle. After that, you will see the message release to turn on vanish mode. Once you find it, now you can release your finger to enable the vanish mode. The background of the chat will change, indicating that the vanish mode has been activated. Now any messages, photos or videos sent will disappear after they are viewed and the chat is closed. The other person in the chat will also be notified when you turn on this vanish mode. And if someone takes a screenshot while in vanish mode, you will receive a notification. So by following these steps, you should be able to activate vanish mode on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.